how to fix Coinbase withdrawal disabled account fix. So fixing a disabled withdrawal on Coinbase involves a few steps. The first step is to first of all just make sure to log into your account and re-verify your identity. So most common fix is if your ID has expired or if Coinbase needs to confirm your details, your account will be restricted. So go to settings and go to profile and just re-enter your address to trigger a refresh. Or you can clear the application cache or browser cache. So if you're using the app, long press the app icon on Android, tap the I button to come to the app info page, scroll down and go to storage where you can select clear cache option. Clearing the data will actually reset the app, so you have to re-log in again. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that as well. And you can also try to wait for some deposits to clear. And some account security and verification issues might also be having that issue, so you might want to check that as well. Also make sure to update your payment method or use a different payment method if that's not working out for you. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.